Good afternoon everyone, I am Maria Isabel Laogan and I am here to perform the 7 basic napkin fold and 1 fancy fold. So before I will going to start, I will sanitize my hands. So let's begin with the pyramid napkin fold. So first, fold the napkin in a half diagonal. And then fold corners to meet top point. Turn napkin over and fold in a half. Pick up at center and stand on base of triangle. And it's done. Next is the same boat napkin fold. First, open your napkin, fold it down in a half, and then fold the top right corner down, and then take the bottom to the right and fold it. Now fold the top left corner to the down, and then pick the bottom and half fold it upward. And then dress it up with a flag. And it's done. Next is the crown napkin fold. First, fold the napkin into a half diagonal. Fold the corners to meet them at the top. And then fold again like a triangle shape. Then fold a little. Turn the napkin. Fold both sides, lock them in the edge, make it stand, bring it down, and it's done. Next is the candle napkin fold. Fold the napkin into half diagonal. And then fold 1 inch in the edge or corner. And then flip it. And then roll it up. And it's done. Next is bird of paradise. Fold the napkin in a square shape. And then fold like a triangle. Fold both sides or corner. Flip the sides in the back to the back, and then pull upward the edges. It's done. Next is the Mexican fan napkin folding. Fold it in a rectangular shape. Both sides, and then fold it 1 inch and leave the 4 inches unfolded. And then fold it in half. Lock the edge in the bottom to make it this stand. And it's done. Next is the butterfly table napkin fold. First, fold the napkin into a half. Both corner or edge put them in the center. Flip. And then fold again the corners to the center. And then bring out the 2 edge. Flip again. Fold in a half. And as you can see, there is a pocket there, bring it there. Then pinch the center to make it the body of the butterfly. And it's done. I'll be performing the double pocket fancy napkin fold. First, fold your napkin into a square shape. And then roll the first edge. And then the second edge, roll it also. And then flip the table napkin, return over, and then fold it, fold the both sides. And it's done. So that's the end of 7 table napkin fold and 1 fancy table napkin fold. Thank you for watching.